Kaizen. What is Kaizen? Kaizen is a Japanese word which consists of two terms, that is, Kai means change and Zen means good. So overall, Kaizen means changes done for better improvement in a management system. In simple manner, Kaizen means continuous improvement by including all members, higher authorities, managers, operators, workers, and everyone related to it with practical implementation of thought or ideas. Advantages of Kaizen. Number 1, continuous improvement. Number 2, people learn from their mistakes. Number 3, people find ways to make things better. Number 4, leads to improved morale, better products, and satisfied customers and reduced cost. Number 5, improves quality. Number 6, increases efficiency. Kaizen implementation starts with occurring of problem, understanding of that problem. If there is not sensation of problem, then no question of solving or improving it. Kaizen is the process of solving problems, and to make this improvement constant, we have to standardize the improved situations. Some more about Kaizen. Kaizen means not only continuous improvement, but it is bigger than that, and we can implement it everywhere like non-manufacturing field also. Kaizen tells us not to adjust the conditions to improve the conditions. In Kaizen, there is not specific time for solving problem. It should be minimum as possible.